This is guava tree. It has many branches and its trunk is very strong and thick. There are many guavas on this tree. As you can see, all the guavas are still very small. They are not ripe yet. After few weeks, they will become ripe and ready to eat. The leaves of this tree are small, but they are very beautiful. I think many people like eating guavas. Some people enjoy eating raw guavas while others prefer ripe guavas because they are sweeter. Guavas are available in many places and are an important part of nature. This is a very nice guava tree.